So during the holiday season, I like to make a little donation to either a local animal shelter or the ASPCA, something animal related, because I like animals way more than I like people. And seeing as though I just got this truck, I thought of a way that I can give back even more and put this thing to work. But I do need your guys' help. We're gonna fill up the pickup. That's right. I'm gonna be parking my F350 at the Walmart in Manchester, New Hampshire tomorrow, Sunday, December
18th.
from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m. to be filled with donations for local animal shelters. That means pet food and treats, pet toys, cleaning supplies, towels, blankets, collars, leashes, and anything else pet related that you can think of. And please make sure that these are new unopened bags of food should you be so kind to donate. Not a bag of dog treats you got because they said peanut butter flavored and you were curious. Same goes with leashes, just new items. So if you are local to the area and feel like giving back, then stop by the truck and donate anything. Anything, even small things, help these shelters out during the Christmas season. If you aren't local to the area and would still like to donate, I'll include a link to a PayPal and Venmo, and I can pick up items on your behalf to put in the truck. And if you are kind enough to donate something, then take a picture with the truck and tag me in it so I can share it and spread the message, so hopefully we can fill up this pickup and help out some animal shelters this holiday season. And the Corvette might be there with the Christmas tree on it too, so you get to see that. Thank you guys so much, and happy motoring.